Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. My name is Emma. Today I would be walking to graduate with my associate's degree in liberal arts, but I moved to the Ukraine this summer and I'm teaching English with ILP, International Language Programs. And so yeah, I'm in Kiev, Ukraine, teaching, sightseeing, exploring, traveling. It's just amazing. It's my second-ish week here. I got here about a week ago today. And it's Saturday, it's May 4th. I am about to meet up with a girl who lives down the street from me, and we're gonna go to the botanical gardens, and then we're meeting up with everyone at 2, and we're doing something until the ballet. We're going to see the ballet at the Opera House tonight at 7, which is so exciting. I used to dance, if you guys didn't know, and so ballet and dance just hold a special place in my heart, so I'm super excited. So yeah, we're just gonna be exploring. We have the whole weekend off. If you guys have any questions about what I'm doing or who I'm with and stuff like that, obviously feel free to ask. I respond to comments, I respond to DMs, I respond to Instagram comments. So if you guys have any specific questions, definitely ask me and I will get back to you. Because this is an amazing opportunity and I'm so happy that I applied and I stepped out of my comfort zone and I freaking did it. It's awesome. That being said, be sure to subscribe. Hoping to post about once a week here, and then I do daily updates and photos and stuff on Instagram, so be sure to follow me on there. And I'm gonna go now and meet Macy, and we're gonna go explore Kiev a little bit more. So it's Monday morning, it's about 11:45. I'm about to meet up with the girl and then walk to our school. We don't teach until 3, but we have a bunch of lesson planning that we have to do for our different classes, and so I have to get prepared for this week, be at school, make sure I have all of my sheets and lesson plans, all that kind of stuff. And then I'm also probably going to start planning for next week because we have to turn in all of our, they're called SBEs, synchronized play episode, and so it's drama or arts and crafts or games. I'm games this week, and I have arts and crafts next week, so we have to plan out the activities that we do with the kids and language things that we want to get them to say and stuff like that, and those are due every Thursday night. So Wednesday we actually have a Russian class, and then tomorrow I think we're gonna go sightseeing, so I would like to get that done today so that I have the rest of the week free. Yeah, yesterday we didn't really do that much. We had planned to go to the tulip exhibition, but I don't know, some of the girls, we were all supposed to meet there at 1:15, and we were on our way and we saw 3 of the girls from our group coming towards us, and we were like, what are you guys doing? And they didn't end up going because it was too busy. And then I also heard that it was at the Lavra, which I had been to a couple of days earlier, and we had seen tulips there, but it wasn't that much. So I don't know, we just didn't end up doing that. We just kind of we went to the hydro park, which is on my bank of the river, and there's this old abandoned amusement park sort of thing. It's really weird, strange. So we just walked around there for a couple of hours, sat on the beach for a little bit, and then we came home. So I wasn't out very much yesterday and I did not film anything. And then the night I played with my host siblings. We played soccer and pool, and we ate dinner, and I watched Netflix and just relaxed and rested, so it was really, really nice. So yeah, I'm all packed up. I'm about to head out. I'm waiting for her to respond to make sure that she's ready because I'm gonna go meet her, and then we're gonna head to school and teach some kids. Alright, so we made it to school. It's about 1, so I start teaching in a couple hours. Just getting set up for all of the lessons. But this is my classroom. It's so cute. So we've got lots of information on the walls. They've got the table, the chalkboard, that's not chalkboard, dry erase, the rules, and then this is like all the stuff for my lessons. So I have crayons. We're gonna do some ABC stuff right here. So we're gonna draw this and read about the letters and story and whatnot. We're playing bingo today, so I made bingo things, and then if you win, you get a dum-dum. That's what that is. These are just all of the letters or words that we're going over for the older kids. They're learning about words. They have like 10 new words every week. That's my schedule. This is some of the homework, more homework, and then this is the story that we are reading. So we're finishing Arthur's Eyes. So yeah, I just thought I would show you guys. I've been getting a lot of questions about like the program and what it's like. So I might start doing these, just like bringing my camera to school and like showing you guys like what lessons I'm doing and what we're teaching and stuff like that. But I think lunch just got here, so I'm gonna go eat because I'm so hungry. So it's Wednesday morning, it's like 10:30. I actually woke up with like, I don't know, some sort of stuffy nose, congestion. I woke up at like 6 a.m. and my throat hurt so bad. So I like drank a bunch of water, and then I went back to bed, and then I just woke up, and I'm obviously like my voice is very different. It's a lot weaker, and like my nose is running. And at first I was like, wait, why am I sick? But then I was like, okay, being around kids and they all pick their noses in class, which is so funny. It's just like a culture thing, I guess. I don't know. Or maybe they're not supposed to do it, but they still do it. My body just didn't fight it off well enough, I guess. But I have coffee, I just had cereal, I took my vitamins this morning. I have an apple and orange juice over there that I'm also gonna drink and eat. I feel like so out of it. It's really strange. I felt like that kind of all week. But we don't have to be to school. I'm probably gonna get there around 1 because we have rushing class from 1:30 to 2:30, and then I teach from 3 to 7. So I just want to get there like time before to start planning, or just to get my things together for today's lessons. I think I'm gonna get ready here in about 30 minutes, and then I'm gonna film a video. I asked you guys last night on Instagram to ask me questions about literally anything, and so I have quite a few. Most of them are about the Ukraine, so I'm gonna just like sit down and answer those. Yeah, I don't want to talk too much because I don't want to lose my voice and then like talk and answer questions and like lose it even more, and then I won't be able to teach tonight. So I'm gonna sign off and finish drinking my delicious coffee and eat my apple and drink some OJ, and hopefully I won't be sick for very long. Alright, so we are live from the Volodymyr Cathedral, and it's like 1 o'clock. We started our morning around 6 a.m. and we went to the House of Corruption, which is where, you know it better, where the president...
Yes.
in 2014. Yeah, go ahead, Macy.
Yeah, he lived there, and then he fled the country when all of the riots were happening, and now they use it as a museum.
Yeah, it's really pretty. Landscape was pretty. It was very cold though. We were all a little chilly. Christine's over here in a short sleeve t-shirt. It's 50 degrees out.
All the Ukrainians.
Yeah. And then we went to Lviv croissants, which is so amazing. So good.
Best thing ever.
And their lattes are also so good. And yeah, we're just sitting here. Might have them take an Instagram picture. People were asking like, who is taking your pictures? I was like, it's Christine and Mason. They're my photographers. Okay, anything else you guys want to say?
Hello to all my fans.
Yes, I am Emma's adventure buddy, and yes, it is really hard to get all those angles she wants. But you know what? It's worth it, you guys. You're welcome.
If you come to Kiev, just bring a coat. Don't be like Christine over there, because people stare at you all the time.
Yeah.
And they'll yell at you.
I think they stare at me because I'm pretty, so.
Because you're pretty.
Yeah,
True.
that's true.
But yeah, you can't wear short sleeve shirts. You can't wear sandals.
No bueno.
What's the other thing?
Always wear a coat.
Always wear a coat.
Wear a
dress
scarf
super
over your
warm.
head.
Scarf,
Cathedrals.
cathedrals, umbrella. Yeah. It's Friday afternoon. It is like 12:20, I think. I'm gonna leave for school here in about 10 minutes. I'm still stuffed up, as you guys can probably tell. I've been sneezing like all the time, and every time I sneeze, not just like goes everywhere. It's disgusting. So I don't know if it's like allergies, because I really usually don't sneeze. And we were talking about allergies, and like our local coordinator in Ukraine, like she lives here and she has no allergies here, but then she'll visit the US and she has really bad allergies, so maybe it's something like that. I don't really know. My throat hurts like a little bit, so that's what makes me think that it's like a cold or something, but I don't know. I just hope that it's gone soon, because sneezing and blowing your nose is no fun. So yeah, yesterday we were off for Victory Day, which was just like celebrating the win over the Nazi regime. So that was fun. We went to the House of Corruption, like I said, and then we just kind of walked around and we ate croissants and lattes, and we just kind of hung out with everyone for the day. And then I think I got home around 6, ate dinner, just kind of had a relaxing night. It was very, very nice. I called my grandparents, which was fun. I haven't talked to them since before I left, so we FaceTimed and that was fun. And then yeah, this morning I've had a very relaxing morning as well. Haven't really done much. And then Saturday, or tomorrow, we also teach from 3 to 7 because we were off on Thursday. So I am gonna go ahead and end the video here, just because I want to get this video up on Saturday. I want to be like consistent with my uploads, so I want to stay uploading Saturday at 9:45 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And I'm just going to be at school for the rest of the day probably, so there's not like that much exciting stuff going on. I mean, teaching is fun, but like it's not like I can film that or anything. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, follow me on Instagram. Let me know if you guys have any other like video requests or video ideas that you would like me to do here. Definitely up for some suggestions. I'm also like very tired and like lethargic, if you can't tell. But okay, thanks for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Bye.